I think I said something which is sometimes people they don't understand the relevance. Is I grew up working for aged people to solve somebody health issue without any food supplement. Is during sleeping, for simple reason is because we are not intervening into the body's job. So the body is able to regenerate, to do its work, and that's why. If you come to Tokyo, come to my clinic, I have some patient, 105 years old. They hear very well, eyes is very good shape, skin in very good condition. So I'm not just making them surviving as we do with medicine, we are making them living in very good condition. And we cannot do it directly. It can be done only by the body itself. Aged people, they are here to live for a long time. We cannot give them something that does not work. Now, to give them something work, we must start telling them the truth. The vitamins, we can take them from nutrition very easily. Our body does not need such high amount of vitamins. One orange contains sometimes 100 milligram of vitamin C, but does not contain 1000. Give the subject 1000, absorption is very low. Whatever the quality of vitamin C come from, vitamin D supplement does not work directly. As soon as you reduce their exposure to sun, it is not the same vitamin D we are getting. Yes, you can measure the same thing, but it is not the same bioefficacy. We just act in very, very specific site, like the mitochondria. Mitochondria is 70% of our weight is mitochondria. It's everywhere. By just acting in the mitochondria to reduce its oxidative stress, allowing it to start working as before, the job is done. We must solve the body's own problem, which is by having such a stressful life, by having the stress from calorie, the body's ability to regenerate, to manage its metabolism decrease. And if we bring a solution to this metabolism problem, the body can regenerate itself, does not need more help. The right ingredients is very simple. It's ingredient that existed at least 1000 years around the human. Olive leaf has been around the humans for at least 2,000-3,000 years. Our body can genetically recognize such ingredient and can absorb it. We are controlling the ingredient from the farm itself to the end products. This is, I think, the bioavailability, the dosage, the ingredient itself is the most important element. Today we are one of the few companies in the world who have their own farm to source their own ingredient. So in terms of traceability, safety, security, one of the Village secret is ability to act in gene expression. Modulating gene expression is very important because it can do some metabolic action in the body very fast. But the product has the ability to activate some gene expression, especially on the mitochondria, that allow this great organ to restart its metabolism, to restart its activity, producing more energy, reducing the oxidative stress itself, which is much faster than any vitamins we can take. Cronwy, it has two advantages. First advantage is reducing the calorie stress in the body. So by Cronwy, we can reduce this impact on the insulin. We can balance this sugar in the after meal. The second advantage, it's allow the body not to have unbalanced hormone balance, or what we can say a balanced insulin at least. And if we can achieve this target, we can reduce a lot of bad impact on the body metabolism, balance its hormones. So better energy, better sleep, less stress. I think the main issue of obesity is what we call the obesity metabolic syndrome. The main benefits is first is reducing the glycation in the body by avoiding or reducing the ability of sugar to bend with proteins. So this is going to improve the metabolism of sugar in the body, and this is one of the reasons we start developing diabetes, because sugar metabolism is not very well done. The second point, reducing the accumulation of fat, and our studies reduce that. With the Cronwy, we reduce the accumulation of fat into the fatty cells, or create new fatty cells. It's a clear advantage to at least prevent the obesity or master it. The Crohn's came for one simple reason, is we work with a lot of antioxidants. We tested a lot of formula of antioxidants, and we discovered that a lot of the process of oxidation in the human body does not work. It does not happen inside the body itself. It happened on the stomach. So we needed to have something that reduced this oxidation that happened inside the stomach. We was the first to show evidence that free radicals produced after eating a fatty meal can immigrate into the bloodstream. So the main action happened in the stomach. And the Crohn's was developed to reduce this oxidation on the stomach. So I don't think that I'm going to invent or bring a food supplement or a product that can solve some healthy problem directly. But helping the body regenerate itself, yes, we can.